Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TWER. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And in the spirit of just kind of keep this as clean as possible, I want to just do a little house cleaning here. So yes, $1.45 does still pertain to the chart, but like I said, from a presentation perspective and not wanting to have too much clutter, I just want to try to keep this, quote unquote story as clean as possible. And with that, it makes things just easier to see and really kind of boils things down to two key levels. We have a key level of support and then a key level of resistance. And then within that context, it's pretty much just a waiting game. So, put some popcorn in the microwave and we got to just kind of sit back and see what happens. First key level of support, and neither of these lines are new for those of you that watched yesterday's video, but more so now we just have confirmation that these levels really do pertain to the chart as I mapped out yesterday. The biggest confirmation comes during the first 30 minutes. Again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. So this candle right here represents that opening 30 minutes. And you can see right here that the price did come up here and then bounced right off that area. Couldn't quite, it temporarily got above it, but didn't last very long and the price snapped back below it. So indeed, $1.55, as I talked about yesterday, is still that key level of resistance. And on the flip side of that, you can see down here, that $1.35 area still remains a level of support. So really, if you were to say, Clay, look, just summarize this quickly for me, I'd say channel pattern in a bullish trend. Why do I say bullish trend? Well, if you look down here to our moving average, the 50 period, you can see that it was going sideways here, but now that line has started to slope upwards and now has a very nice angle to it. And, really at the end of the day, as long as the price remains above that purple line, then as far as I'm concerned, the bulls are in full control. But ideally speaking, you want to see the price stay up above $1.35. And so far, so good. Heck, it hasn't even been tested yet. So that's where things currently stand right now. Again, channel pattern in a bullish uptrend. Now, just because it's happening in a bullish uptrend, I wish the market was that easy and I wish I could sit here. That guarantees that the price is going to break to $1.55. Not quite how the market works. No such thing as a guarantee, but would I be shocked to see continuation to the upside given we're in a bullish uptrend right now? I would not be shocked, but again, that is not a guarantee. So all in all though, good healthy day. Price is continuing and working on building that higher base. And from the big picture perspective, that's what it's all about, building those higher bases and building those higher lows. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.